Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open a .xsr file on a Windows computer. Normally, if you download this file and you try to open it and it won't open, or you extract it and there's nothing in the folder, it's because you don't have the right viewer installed. So first you're going to go to notepad++.org. I'll put the address in the link and download the latest version. So this would be the one at the moment. Okay. After you've installed that, we're going to go to our test.xsr file. And as you can see, it's not associated with any viewer. So if I just double click this, it won't open. But if I select Notepad++ and click OK, it opens. And it's as simple as that. So, hope you enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.